Now we are going to learn sounds of each letter. We will call it as phonics. Studying phonics is very wonderful. Shall we start reading? Yes, here we go. Letter A. A makes the sound a. A. Apple, apple. Ant, ant. Letter B. B makes the sound b. B. Ball, ball. Bat, bat. Letter C. C makes the sound k. K. Cat, cat. Car, car. Letter D. D makes the sound d. D. Dog, dog. Dolphin, dolphin. Letter E. E makes the sound a. A. Elephant, elephant. Egg, egg. Letter F. F makes the sound f. F. Fish, fish. Fox, fox. Letter G. G makes the sound g. G. Gun, gun. Grass, grass. Letter H. H makes the sound h. H. Horse, horse. House, house. Letter I. I makes the sound I. I. Igloo, igloo. Insect, insect. Letter J. J makes the sound j. J. Jump, jump. Jar, jar. Letter K. K makes the sound k. K. Kite, kite. King, king. Letter L. L makes the sound l. L. Lion, lion. Lamp, lamp. Letter M. M makes the sound m. Monkey, monkey. Milk, milk. Letter N. N makes the sound n. N. Nest, nest. Nose, nose. Letter O. O makes the sound ah, ah. Orange, orange. Ox, ox. Letter P. P makes the sound p, p. Parrot, parrot. Pig, pig. Letter Q. Q makes the sound qu, qu. Queen, queen. Quail, quail. Letter R. R makes the sound r, r, rabbit, rabbit. Rain, rain. Letter S. S makes the sound s, s, sun, sun. Ship, ship. Letter T. T makes the sound t, t. Tiger, tiger. Turtle, turtle. Letter U. U makes the sound a. Umbrella, umbrella. Uncle, uncle. Letter V. V makes the sound v, v. Van, van. West, west. Letter W. W makes the sound w, w. Watch, watch. Walk, walk. Letter X. X makes the sound K and S sounds together. X, X. Xbox, Xbox. Xmo, Xmos. Letter Y. Y makes the sound Y, Y. Yogurt, yogurt. Yawn, yawn. Letter Z. Z makes the sound Z, Z. Zebra, zebra. Zip, zip. Kids, practice these sounds every day. It will be more helpful to read. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.